टेक्स्ट बुक निकालेंगे और पेज नंबर 19 निकालेंगे. काउंट एंड राइट. How many wings does a bird have? So we will count how many wings the bird have. 1 and 2. How many? 2 wings. How many colors does a rainbow have? How many colors? We'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Rainbow has 7 colors. How many wheels does a rickshaw have? Wheels मतलब ये. So 1, 2 and 3. Rickshaw has 3 wheels. How many corners does a slate have? Corners 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. How many legs does a cockroach have? So we'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 legs. How many petals does the flower have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many petals? 5 petals. Now here. How many legs does an octopus have? We'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we'll write here 8. How many handles does a cup have? Handle means this. This one only. We'll write only 1. Now, come down all of you. Yeah. Count and write numbers in digit and in words. This is 1. So we'll write in words O-N-E-1. Now this is 1 and 2. We will write here 2. T-W-O. 2. Now, how many pictures are here? 1, 2, 3. So we'll write here 3. And in words, T-H-R-E-E. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll write in digit here 4. And in words, F-O-U-R. 4. Next, picture will count again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In digit we will write 5. And in words, F-I-V-E. 5. So I have done this. So your homework will be, you will write in digit, you will count the picture and write in digit, and you will read this.